Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so on Wednesday and Thursday of this week, which was the 27th and 28th, there was a lot of business news and chatter that Walgreens is now a private company. And it's a lot to unpack, and I'm just going to give you the most basic layman's terms of this and how this might affect you. So, as you know, we cover loosely some business stories involving our favorite pharmacy. And the last one, they were closing some pharmacies and possibly going private. But this news it doesn't happen overnight. There's a lot of moving parts, billion-dollar deal. So it takes a long time, but the news dropped on Wednesday that they're no longer traded on the New York Stock Exchange and they are a private company. And I know this business stuff is quite dry and a lot of you are probably not interested. So I'm going to keep this video quite brief. And if you just go onto your smartphone and go into any like stock exchange app, you can see their chart isn't available. And this started, I believe, on Wednesday, where it's just not available. And then if you look at some other companies such as Dollar General, Yum Brands, that's fast food, Walmart, and Amazon, like you can see, these are all public companies traded and they are still active and running, so you can investigate that yourself. I recommend that whatever your favorite news site is, to go there and look this up. I did look at a story from Reuters. It's a very easy read and they write things very, concisely. But they did say that there's going to be a new CEO, Mike Motts, I guess formerly of Staples, and he was working with the biggest pharmacy in Canada, which is Shoppers Drug Mart as well. So he has a background in pharmacies. And if you know anything about Shoppers Drug Mart, I watch enough people that haul big hauls from Canada that Shoppers Drug Mart often has a lot of really good deals. And they're really into stuff like skincare from like all over the world and just like cool stuff. So if they bring that to the US, I'm going to be all about that, especially if they bring like Korean skincare. Like I'd be so excited. But okay, so in the highlighted paragraph, Mott is going to be replacing Tim Wentworth, who was with Walgreens for I think like 2 years, really short time. And Mott has worked as the president of Canadian pharmacy chain Shoppers Drug Mart, which is like a boutique pharmacy, really emphasizing perfumes, high-end makeup, skincare from around the world. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. Highlighted paragraph again from the Reuters story. Walgreens has struggled to expand beyond its pharmacy business and diversify into broader healthcare services, even as budget conscious consumers increasingly turned to lower cost options from Amazon and Walmart for their prescriptions and toiletries. But if you coupon, you're at Walgreens every Sunday with a smile. Private, publicly traded. If you think about it, Meijer grocery store in the Midwest is still also a private company, and Meijer tends to have a lot of great deals as well every week, and they have never been traded, so that's kind of interesting on any New York Stock Exchange or anything. So yeah, as a consumer that loves this pharmacy, they have the most in the U.S. The last publicly traded pharmacy now is just CVS on its own because Rite Aid is gone as well. I would love to see Walgreens double down on their website deals and make them bigger and more for customers. I would love to see that. I think if they are going to try and play with Amazon or Walmart, that's where they're really going to have to focus it and get rid of register rewards. Streamline it where it's just Walgreens cash, little easier for the consumers. I would love to see that. We'll have to wait and see, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.